Hi everyone, and welcome to the annual Concours in the Hills, which is located in Fountain Hills, Arizona, which is where I grew up. And this is a show that benefits the Phoenix Children's Foundation. I think this show that just happened a week or two ago raised somewhere around $500,000 just this year. So that's a really beautiful thing. This is one of the only car shows that you've seen that has mostly focused or is focused on exotic cars. So there's some muscle cars, there's a lot of foreign cars that you haven't seen before because they're foreign, but tons of exotics. So all your normal stuff, and then a few oddballs like KTM and some other different brands. It's a really nice show. The fountain, which is this whole show is kind of surrounding this fountain, is the largest, tallest fountain in the world, I guess. Guinness Book of World Records. This is the KTM I was telling you about. Kind of an interesting looking car. And so it's really nice. It focuses, if you know, there's a lake with the fountain and all the cars are spread around it and you just walk around the lake. It's kind of a cool atmosphere. They also have military and other divisions, sheriff, helicopters, so that's something they always have. And I was actually surprised. I was expecting one or two, and they had somewhere around 6 to 8 of them, so that was kind of a nice addition to the show. This is Electric Alley that has all electric cars, including this COE that has a bunch of extra craziness on it, but it is electric and has a really cool vibe to it. And a lot of different car clubs come out to this show. This was interesting. This is the brand new VW bus that's being released. It's actually out right now. They start around $65,000. This one, as it sits, is about $75,000. And it's all electric. They have a lot of hidden signage, if you will, or logos built into the vehicle. So side of the chair, the grill matches the floor plates as you're getting into the car. The best part about this, which I didn't even know was this vehicle, I saw this before, was the brake pedal has the international symbol for pause, and the gas pedal has the international symbol for play when it comes to audio. So that's kind of a nice feature. So this also has a really interesting side window that comes through the glass. It's like a window within a window. It's kind of interesting. So that's about it for this show. I just wanted to give you a little bit of heads up that this exists. So if you ever have a chance to come out, people come from the surrounding states to come see this show, and it's a really nice show.